You're leaving hundreds, maybe thousands of high quality leads on the table right now simply because you're doing your outreach the hard way. Truth is, most people build business networks with elbow grease, guesswork, and wasted hours. But I'm going to show you how to build a far more profitable Dream 100 list using AI in under 20 minutes a week. Let's get into this. So, here's what most people do. They open up a spreadsheet, scroll LinkedIn, spin their wheels trying to find the right partner, and end up DMing people who ghost them harder than their ex. Sound familiar? You're told to network smarter, but no one gives you a blueprint. And then you waste days researching potential partners, only to realize half of them compete with you, the other half barely have an audience, and none of them are a good fit. What if, instead of all that manual labor, you could snap your fingers and generate a list of perfect fit collaborators who already serve your audience without overlapping with you? That's what AI can do if you know how to steer it. And in this video, I'm showing you exactly how I use simple prompts to build a highly targeted Dream 100 partner list, names that actually lead to revenue, not just networking fluff. Let's break it down. First off, we need to define your people, not just any audience, your audience. The ones who buy from you, not just lurk on your content like it's Netflix. Start here. Define who they are, what they buy, and what they struggle with most. Now, ask the AI to go hunting, not for your competitors, but for the ones who already have your people's attention but don't sell what you sell. Let's say you run a SaaS company for online coaches. Your prompt might look like: find podcast hosts, educators, and service providers in the coaching or digital product space who serve online coaches but don't sell software. See what I did there? It's specific. The AI doesn't just return a list of surface level influencers, it starts to dig based on context. With one smart prompt, you suddenly have 15 to 25 potential collaborators who are in the exact ecosystem as your customers. They're not selling the same thing, but they're solving a connected problem. That's fertile ground for partnerships. Now, once you've got your list, here's where most people screw it up. They go for size instead of fit. Forget chasing the influencer with a million followers if they're not speaking to your buyer. Micro partners win big if they have insane trust with their audience, even if that audience is small. Look for specificity over celebrity. Ask, do they serve the same type of people you do, just from a different angle? You want the SEO expert who trains Etsy sellers when you sell tools for Etsy shops. You want the copywriter who coaches thought leaders when your offer helps them publish more content. You're not just trying to borrow their traffic, you're combining assets to create dual value. And AI helps you spot these crossovers at scale. Now listen up, because this part matters. Once you've found your match, don't pitch like a desperate salesperson trapped in an elevator ride. No, let's explore synergies. No just hopping in your inbox. Instead, tailor a message that shows you've thought this through. Use a structure like this: I noticed you serve X type of audience with Y solution. I serve the same group but from Z angle. I had an idea for a co-branded workshop that could bring both our strengths together. But now that gets a click, that gets a reply. You're showing value before asking for anything. And if you really want to get a yes fast, suggest something light: a 15-minute interview, a co-written PDF, a referral swap, low lift, high reward. Remember, the faster they experience a win with you, the more likely you are to build something that scales. But let's not stop there, because as your Dream 100 grows, staying top of mind gets harder. That's why you don't just use AI for discovery, you use it for follow-up. I set recurring prompts to generate check-in messages that feel fresh and personal, not like some bland autoresponder. Here's a simple one that works. Hey name, just catching up. I saw you launched. Insert recent thing here, which looks killer. We've been cooking up something new on our side too. Would love to run an idea by you that could be valuable for both our crews. See what that does? It anchors to something timely. It opens a loop. It maintains a relationship without being a burden. And the best part, you didn't spend an hour writing that email. AI handled the heavy lifting. Now, let me take a second to clarify something. This tactic isn't about pretending you're someone you're not. It's not fake personalization. AI doesn't replace the human. It amplifies the human. It does the grunt work so you can focus on the stuff that builds trust, like crafting the idea, showing up in the collab, delivering real results. If you're not doing this yet, you're burning daylight. Because while others are still Cold emailing strangers with zero context and begging for attention on Twitter threads, you're building an ecosystem that feeds itself. One partnership leads to another. Your dream 100 becomes your dream 20 clients. Yeah? That's the kind of growth that sticks. So here's what you've got to do next. Fire up your favorite AI tool. Feed it a smart contextual prompt tied to your audience. Filter for relevance, not popularity. Craft a one-liner pitch that delivers value before you ask for the collab. Then keep following up thoughtfully, consistently, using AI to do the heavy lifting behind the scenes. That's how you clone your best leads. That's how you grow your list without ads. That's how you stop chasing attention and start commanding it. And that's just one play. If this had you nodding even a little, go grab the full system inside AI List Launch. Because I show you the exact AI prompts, proposal templates, and follow up systems that helped one of my students go from flatlined list to 200 new subscribers in just 4 months using nothing but strategic partner stacking. No cash spent, no cold pitches, just smart partnerships powered by AI. The link's in the description. Hit it. And if you want more ways to grow your business with real connections, not hacks, subscribe. I've got more coming.